Mojo pointers are the deepest end of the pool concept here, and I want to open it with reassurance. Most Mojo programs never use a pointer directly. List, dictionaries, strings, and your own struct, they already manage memory for you safely. So why a chapter on them? Because once in a while, you need to reach below the comfortable surface to talk to hardware, to C or Python, or to build a new data structure. That's why it's very important for you to understand pointer. When that day comes, Mojo offers a ladder of pointer types from very safe to fully manual. The trick is knowing which rung to stand on. We climb down from the top. First, what a pointer even is. It is a value whose job is to hold the address of another value rather than the value itself. Think of it like a coat check ticket. The ticket isn't your coat. It's a small token that tells you exactly where your coat is hanging. To get the value, you dereference written as an empty pair of brackets. They live in a standard memory module. So there are 4 of them, and let's take them safest. Pointer is the one you will meet most. It's a safe pointer. It's always point to a value that already exists, and it can never be null. You create one with a to keyword, pointing at an existing variable. Then you dereference with the empty brackets to read the value back, clean and safe. And the compiler tracks its origin. Remember origins from the ownership episode? So it keeps the target alive as long as the pointer is in use. No dangling pointers by construction. The next 2 are smart pointers. They don't just point at a value, they own it. Owned pointer models exclusive ownership. It allocates the memory and cleans it up automatically. You hand it to a value, it stashes it on the heap, and when the pointer reaches its last use, the value is destroyed and the memory is freed. No cleanup from you. Because ownership is exclusive, an owned pointer can be moved but not copied, exactly like the var convention, but for a value living on the heap. Sometimes several parts of your program need to share the same value, cleaned up only when the last value is done, and that is called ArcPointer. Arc means atomic reference count. It keeps a running count of how many copies exist. Here is A and B share one single value. Change it through B and A sees it too. Every copy bumps the count up, so every destruction bumps it down. And when it hits 0, the value is going to be freed. And this is how you build safe shared reference semantic types. And at the very bottom rung is the unsafe pointer. The name is a genuine warning label, unsafe. It is the closest thing to a C pointer. The memory might be uninitialized, there is no bounce check, and Mojo does not track its life cycle. In exchange, you get complete total control on your pointer. Using one is a 4-step ritual. Allocate the memory, initialize it with a value, use it, and then destroy the value and free the memory. Here's the shape. Reserve room for one integer uninitialized, actually puts a value there. Use it, then destroy the stored value and give the memory back. Every step is on you. And now if you forget to free and the memory leaks, read the pointer before you initialize it, and you are reading garbage here. This is exactly the bookkeeping that safe pointer above do it for you. And this is where the life cycle method from the last episode finally earns their keep. A struct that wraps an unsafe pointer is responsible for that memory. So it allocates in its constructor and implements a destructor that frees the memory when the value dies. That's the whole point of the design. The messy, unsafe management is a sealed inside buffer, written once carefully. Everyone who uses a buffer gets a clean, safe value, no pointers inside. So when you need indirection, the choice is usually quick, just referring to an existing value without copying pointer. Owning one heap value with a single clear owner, owned pointer. Several owners sharing one, you use ArcPointer. Now building a container or talking to C and willing to manage memory yourself, you can use unsafe pointer carefully. And the most important rule, if a list on your own struct already does the job, reach for that. Pointers are where Mojo programming language stops being fast Python and becomes a true system programming language. But notice the design, a ladder, so you choose exactly how much control and how much responsibility you want to own. In the next chapter, we are going to go back to Mojo and learn our parallelism and using SIMD.